Prompt engineering versus instruction tuning. Prompt engineering versus instruction tuning. Prompt engineering versus instruction tuning is the difference between steering a model with clever inputs and retraining the model so it naturally follows instructions. Think of prompt engineering as crafting the exact words you type at usage time to nudge the model toward the answer you want, without changing the model's internal weights. Instruction tuning instead happens during training, where the model is fed many examples of tasks and good responses so it learns a general habit of following instructions. In our separate video on instruction tuning, we focus on that training process in more detail, but here we care about how it contrasts with prompt engineering. A simple mental model is this. Prompt engineering is like giving very specific directions to a GPS every time you drive, while instruction tuning is like training the driver so they already know how to handle many kinds of trips. With prompt engineering, you keep adjusting your wording, adding constraints, examples, or roles to push the model toward the behavior you need on that single request. With instruction tuning, the model has seen thousands of instruction response pairs during training, so even a short, plain instruction at runtime is usually enough for it to behave correctly. In practice, a team might start with a general LLM and rely heavily on prompt engineering, writing long system prompts with examples to get consistent customer support answers. Later, they collect real chat logs and use instruction tuning or supervised fine-tuning so the model learns the support style directly, allowing much shorter prompts. This mirrors how our video on supervised fine-tuning describes using labeled examples to reshape model behavior, but here, the focus is specifically on instructions and task formats. This distinction matters because prompt engineering is fast, flexible, and done at inference time, while instruction tuning is slower, data-hungry, and done during training but yields more robust behavior. Teams often combine both. They instruction tune models for general obedience and safety, then use lightweight prompts to specialize per use case. Remember, prompt engineering versus instruction tuning.